Hello everyone. So before we get into the activity for this week's spelling words, the first thing you need to do is listen to the words in the second video on this page. After you've done that, you'll then be ready to open a blank Google Doc. You can find the link to get to Google Docs at the bottom of this page. After you open your Google Doc, you're going to title that one with your name and 9.11 spelling. Once you're ready to get into the activity, the first thing you're going to do is sort each of your words by its ending. So you've got words that end in AL, EL, LE, and then there will be an other category. The second thing you're going to do is identify how many syllables each word has. So when we're looking for the number of syllables that are in a word, we're looking for how many mouthfuls or how many beats there are in the word. For example, the word after has 2 beats in it. You have to take 2 mouthfuls in order to say after completely. Let's take another example. The word open also has 2 beats in it. You have to take 2 mouthfuls to say the full word. Let's look at one more word. So the word buy, it's just 1 mouthful, 1 syllable. All right, so after you've sorted each word by its ending and identified how many syllables it has, the last thing you're going to do is share your doc with me. Stay tuned for the third video on this page because I will show you how to set up your Google Doc. I will also show you how to sort your words, identify the syllables, and then share that Google Doc with me. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.